You don't need more indicators, you need clarity. Today we focus on clean setups and disciplined execution.
Okay, now so we'll fully replicate the strategy. We need a 5-minute time frame, but it's crucial to set a 1-minute expiration. So now let's add the indicators. We'll need 2 moving averages and a fractal. We'll copy their exact settings. For the first MA, we set period to 8 and we make it purple to distinguish from the second one. So, okay, everything is ready. Now let's configure the second moving average. Here we change the period to 4 and we're going to color it a, let's say, light blue. So the fractal needs adjustments. We're going to set the period to 3 and save changes. Okay, so the strategy is set. Now let's figure out what and how to place the trades based on its logic. So first we'll look into for some fractals. If there's one pointing upward, we'll enter on the pullback. If the orange MA line is on top, that means the asset is falling. So, and here's the opposite scenario, the downward pointing fractal. After it, the light blue line ended up above the purple one here. Let me show you with some lines. That's a signal for price increase. As you can see, even in this section, there are plenty of opportunities to trade using this logic. All we need is a fractal and a position on the MAs. So the strategy creator claims it's universal and works well in any market situation. Now let's put it to the test. I'll look for entry points and see how it performs. I analyzed the market and saw a trading opportunity. Here it is. I'm entering the market right at this point. The blue MA is on top and there's a fractal below. So here's what's happening. Ooh, it's the same setup. We see a fractal below and the blue line is above again. So we're entering the trade. We're going to be basing this on the strategy. So let's open another one. Okay, and the third chart shows the same signals. Whoa, I'm on a roll. Blue line is on top, fractal is below. That's our entry signal. So now we have 3 open trades. All that's left is to wait for the results. In the video where I saw this strategy explained, the author claimed it was very self-sufficient. All we need to do is for the indicator conditions to align and we'll consistently lock in our profits. That's what the creator said. But right now, I can see things are not so rosy. Let's summarize the results. The first trade has already closed at a loss. Oh my god. And we'll see why that happened. So it's simple. We opened the trade near a danger zone, right at the strong resistance level. The price bounced back from it and it closed our position in a loss. Meanwhile, the second trade is also closing in the red. Let's figure out what's happening here. While the indicators suggest some growth, there's a catch and I'm going to show it to you. Here's the trend line and the asset has bounced right off it. Here we entered long at a critical point. Okay, so now let's look at the third trade. It's also losing. This time we're just unlucky. Trading with 1 minute expiration on a 15 minutes candle is a strange choice to begin with, but we're testing someone else's strategy, right? So we're going to see how it plays out. The conclusion is simple. This trading system seems to be missing something. Now I'll make a few more trades, but this time I'll try to make them perfect. Let's go. Okay, let's trade long on this chart. We have a fractal and the blue line is on top. We'll also open another position. Oh, oops. We definitely won't enter here. We've already seen setups like this before. But here everything looks perfect. Yes, this is definitely where I'll be entering the market. So earlier, as I was trading without any preparation whatsoever or market assessment, just blindly following the indicator signals, we got what we got there. So deep down, I knew these trades were unlikely to close profitably, and that is exactly what happened. So this time though, I'll be careful and I've selected the right conditions for our entry. Let's break them down. So on this chart, we have a standard pullback continuation pattern, that's here. Plus there's a distance level marked by a fractal. And yes, friends, this is the correct way to use an indicator. It identifies levels we can actually trade. Now let's analyze the second trade while the first one just closed in profit. The situation here is still unclear, but I believe the price won't drop any further and we'll close this trade profitably. Perfect, it worked out now. So now let's zoom in. Here's the level from the previous fractal and the price recently broke through it. This is an additional bullish signal. Especially, we're going to be waiting for an overall reversal near the level. So that's exactly why I chose this currency pair for the trade. So in other words, indicators alone clearly aren't enough here. Now let's trade this strategy comprehensively. So we're going to be incorporating some technical analysis on this. Okay guys, let's trade this downside move. I'm already in the market, and now I want to show you what we're working for here. So first, note that the overall trend is bearish. We're trading with the main momentum. So we've got our fractal as per our strategy rules, plus the purple MA on top. If we connect the previous lows with a trend line, we get the exact level where price is currently heading. So now we just wait for expiration. What do you think, guys? Does this analysis look way more convincing? I'm sure most of you would agree. Yeah, you can see why I said you agree. So this is a common beginner trap. They search for strategies from YouTube or wherever they get this from, and these traders will often always oversimplify. They will oversimplify reality, leaving out the crucial nuances of trading. Okay, so we've closed this one profitably, and I think I'll stay on this chart. Currently seeing another trading opportunity here. Unless we get some sudden volatility spikes, I'll definitely re-enter the market. So overall, nothing alarming has happened, so I'm just going to be jumping back in. So let's break this down. I've already marked the lower band, but you can also see a key level that the price is approaching. As long as we haven't reached it yet, we can reasonably expect further downside and profits from this move. Now, back to those YouTube strategies. You often see that they say, we're going to show you some secret way to do this. Secret indicator, secret settings, and talk about some magical combinations, claiming it's the holy grail of trading, and I guarantee you it is not. But in reality, the core of successful trading is technical analysis, working with levels, zones, and trends that will guarantee your trades. This is what the big players, the institutional players, the professional traders, and everybody else actually focuses on. Indicators can be powerful tools and they are useful, but they should only serve you to fine-tune what you are looking for here. So within the boundaries of context and entries, we should know what we're talking about with the broader market analysis. So another profitable trade here. Now switch charts to analyze different scenarios. Let's go. So let's trade long now. Within our trading strategy, everything here looks perfect. There's a fractal at the bottom plus, and the blue line is on top, but at the same time we have a key level that the price is already breaking through. Since we're breaking upwards, we should expect further downside within the overall trend. So that's here. Perfect. Let's wait for an expiration now. This raises an important question. Do we really need indicator-based strategies? Well, yes, they are essential tools. I guarantee you that. That's why regularly I share new ones in my videos that I'm going to be posting, that you're going to be seeing soon. But they are just one piece of the trading puzzle. Without technical analysis, you're doomed to make the same losing trades I've showed in the beginning of this session. Indicators are merely, supporting tools. Think of them like glasses. They help you see the chart more clearly and spot what you might have maybe or otherwise missed. But they are not your eyes. They are just tools to help you. Meanwhile, I'm in profit again and will likely open another trade here. The asset is rallying strongly after breaking through resistance, so I'm entering immediately. I'm going to be capitalizing on this momentum. While we wait for an expiration, let's summarize. You need technical analysis as the foundation of trading, and ignoring it will actually be foolish. So YouTube videos can rarely cover it properly, but you can learn with me. If you join me on my Telegram channel, the link is in the description below. I give you insights on how to trade there. All my students can guarantee you that, and I share everything with my students, both my trading ways and the knowledge I've acquired from trading. We don't just analyze trading nuances, we trade together, we publish signals, and you can replicate incorporating everything needed into successful trading, and we're making them extremely reliable. So this is perfect. This is the perfect way to start earning, guys. We are profitable again. Excluding our early losses, I've made over $500 in this session, enough to draw conclusions, and let's wrap this up. Growing this channel is very important to me, so I want you guys to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about it, watch the video, comment and everything and all that, and I will be seeing you guys in the next one.